anyone who wants to get selling on Amazon, I would say the most important thing is your mindset. You have to be certain that this is what you want to do with your life. It's not just a hobby, it's a way of life. And I've seen the people that are most successful are the people that really enjoy it.
The number one tip nowadays would be get some money, and you're not going to start with a few thousand. You're going to need some more if you want to build something really stable. Get your money ready and always watch your cash flow.
Knowing your numbers. So really calculating your ROI and your contribution margin or your gross margin after ads, because I think a lot of sellers really focus on the revenue, which is great, but their take home might be really slim. And in a business where it's really cash intensive, just generally like consumer products, you really want to focus on those like kind of high ROI items.
Hey, did you know that you can spy on your competitors and see all of their best keywords that pull in traffic and drive sales? Did you also know that you can see the keywords your competitors are bidding for on sponsored product ads? Wouldn't you love to find out which of their keywords have Amazon's Choice badge? Well, you can do all of this with Helium 10's Cerebro tool. It's the most powerful reverse ASIN lookup tool on the planet. No other tool in the market can do everything that Cerebro does. So head over to helium10.com/Cerebro and try Cerebro for free. That's helium10.com/CEREBRO.